What? People, get out of here! It's gonna blow up! And I've got to stop it! Come on, acknowledge!
Acknowledge. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I'm Andrew Mills, the editor for Stop the Train. We're gonna go on a mad journey into my mind.
Sometimes I wonder what I'm doing with my life in King's journalism. Like I'm zooming down a fixed track at high speeds. Stop the Train is a folk punk and do-it-yourself inspired music website because we make things. We make them from scratch sometimes. There are a lot of nomadic people in their 20-somethings, and Halifax has become a hub for crazy artistic people to settle. You can start a punk basement and rock out, you can rap like you mean it, and alas, there's not a lot of traditional media coverage. There's not a lot of dreamers left in the world, but there's a few of them who walk along the train tracks. We're here to find them.
Hey, where's Laurel at? Where'd she go? Oh.
Hi, I'm Laurel, and I'm photo editor and art director at Stop the Train.
Matthew Ritchie, managing editor. Okay, that's fine.
Database. Copy editor. Fact checking.
Just wish I understood the code. This damn code. Oh, the code.
As Halifax's #1 underground music site, Stop the Train offers coverage on a variety of mediums, featuring daily updates on industry profiles, album and concert reviews, as well as an interactive venue and historical guide. Stop the Train is your go-to destination for all things music in Halifax.